Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IMNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of, that's not what I wanted. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. This is kind of hard, but with the gap down, that it is what it is as far as the the platform is concerned and the format. And so what I'm gonna do is just move this all the way over there, and that way we can kind of get a little bit better vision of what's going on from where these lows are and such. So I realize this isn't really much better, but I think it's better than having the chart look like this. So really the key level and first level of support that stands out to me going into tomorrow is right here at 92 cents. I'm not going to call 92 cents the must-hold level, but you can see on a couple different occasions here, the bears did try to press down below it, and the bulls did a good job. And just from more kind of a practical perspective in terms of looking at the chart, let's say the price pulls back here and bounces around this area a few more times before finally starting to head back up. At that point in time, what would you have? Well, you'd have a nice base of lows right there. Previous base of lows would be down at this level down here. If you picture each of these as stair steps, then now you have some stair steps being built in the upwards direction, and that's really what you want to see, assuming you care about more so a bigger picture of things. If this price has any chance at recovering, it all starts with a bounce, because bounces can indeed turn into reversals, but you can't have a reversal unless the price at least first starts to bounce, and bounces don't form unless the price can continue to put in those higher lows. So 92 cents, definitely that ideal level that you want to see continue to hold going into tomorrow to close out the week, and then next week as a whole. So what about areas of resistance? Where do the sellers seem to currently be hanging out? As it stands right now, I think the sellers have made themselves pretty clear, and they're up there at that 95-cent mark. You can see not once, not twice, but literally 3 times today, the price tried to get up above that area, and the price just could not quite do it and was rejected right there at 95 cents. So don't get me wrong, I'm not saying 95 cents is impossible to break through or anything like that. I'm just saying that according to the story of the chart, apparently the bulls really are going to need to bring their A game to not only fight above that level, but then be able to stay up above it. All in all, though, nice solid bounce today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon it tomorrow and then next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.